friends, Namaste, welcome to my channel Dare to Dream. Let me give a small introduction about myself. My name is Ananya, I'm from Kolkata and I'm a Bomb girl. So in this particular channel, I'll be going to share you different types of makeup tips, makeup tutorials, fashion hacks, hauls and lots more. And for that, you have to subscribe my channel. I hope you all are going to support me as because I'm a new member in this big family of YouTube. So without further any delay, let's start today's video. So basically I purchased the green tea ranges of the WOW product. I purchased this from the official site of WOW. You guys can visit their official sites and there you guys can find the combos offer over there. So I personally buy this combo offer where I got the shampoo, conditioner, face wash, face moisturizer. I'm gonna show you the shampoo and the conditioner. These are the bottles. I hope you guys can see. So these are basically, the net volume is 300 ml, and obviously as we all know, the WOW products, they are sulfate free, paraben free, cruelty free, and obviously these are all dermatologically tested. So basically this particular shampoo, it contains the green tea tree oil, rose pea and sweet almond oil. So I'll make a separate video on this. I'll use this product and I'll give you the review over this. So coming to my next product, I took the green tea foaming face wash. This is the package, it came like this. I actually love the packaging, and the bottle is somehow like this. So over here they are giving 50% extra. Basically this is 100 ml, but you guys will get 50% extra if you're gonna buy this in a combo pack, I believe. And it comes with this applicator over here. This is very soft. You can press this particular area and the foam will come from here and you guys can apply in the face. This also I'll show you in the separate video, and I'll give you the review also. Previously also I used the WOW products and personally I love them. So this is the first time I'm going to use the green tea ranges of this WOW product. So coming to my next product, which is a face moisturizer, again on the green tea ranges, like this. So this is oil free, helps to refine and nourish skin, and it's already mentioned over here that it suits for oily and combination skin type. This is also like somehow 100 ml. Yes, this is the container. I hope you guys can see. So these are the 4 things I purchased in a combo pack, and surprisingly I got a free product from WOW, and this is also I'm using the first time, which is the Himalayan Rose Face Wash. This is the package and I haven't opened yet, so let me open it. The smell is very mild, very soothing. So I am very happy personally buying all these products. I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna make a separate video and I'm gonna give you the reviews. So the main key ingredient for all the products is the green tea, and we all know green tea is very helpful for skin as well as for the hair. For the shampoo and the conditioner, the other key ingredients are the tea tree sweet almond oil and the rose bay, whereas the conditioner separately have the argan oil and shea butter with hydrogenated olive oil. Green tea foaming face wash basically contains the green tea and the aloe vera extract, vitamin E and provitamin B5, which helps to revive dull and tired skin. Green tea face moisturizer, as I already mentioned, it's oil free, so it's quick absorbing, non-sticky, contains green tea extract, but it also contains beetroot. So this Himalayan Rose Face Wash basically contains the rose water and it's rich in vitamin A, B, C and E. It has the aloe vera extract and the beetroot extract. As the main key ingredient for this particular range is the green tea. So we all know green tea is very helpful for skin as well as for the hair. It is rich in catechin and the polyphenol, and it helps to fight the dryness and keep it controls the hair fall and it keeps the scalp healthy. So friends, if you like this and want to buy this product, so I have given the link in the description. Please go and check that. So friends, friends, I hope you'll find this video useful. I'm gonna bring this type of videos more in this particular channel, and for that you have to subscribe my channel. You'll find the bell icon over there. Do click that so that you'll get the first notification whenever I'm posting any new videos in my channel. And if you like this video, please like, comment and share. So that's all for today. We'll meet you very soon next week. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.